Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Analysis of filing for U.S. citizenship with criminal arrests and convictions. The process of filing for U.S. citizenship, also known as naturalization, is governed by stringent laws and regulations. Navigating this process can be particularly complex for individuals with criminal arrests and convictions. This analysis will explore the various factors influencing eligibility for U.S. citizenship for those with a criminal record, including offenses, the concept of good moral character, the mandatory waiting period, and specific disqualifications. 1. Understanding criminal background and eligibility. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, requires applicants for naturalization to demonstrate good moral character, GMC, for a specific period before applying. Criminal arrests and convictions can significantly impact this assessment. Here's how different types of offenses affect eligibility. Minor offenses. Traffic violations and minor misdemeanors generally do not bar applicants from demonstrating good moral character, provided they are isolated incidents. Serious crimes. Convictions for serious offenses such as aggravated felonies, drug trafficking, or violent crimes usually result in a permanent bar to naturalization. Moral turpitude crimes. Crimes involving moral turpitude, CIMT, such as fraud or theft, require careful examination. A single CIMT can disqualify an applicant, depending on when it occurred and the sentence imposed. 2. Good moral character, GMC, requirement. The concept of good moral character is pivotal in the naturalization process. USCIS evaluates GMC over the statutory period, typically 5 or 3 years for applicants married to U.S. citizens. Some offenses can permanently bar an individual from establishing GMC, while others impose a temporary bar during the statutory period. Permanent bars. Certain offenses result in a lifetime bar to establishing GMC, including aggravated felonies, murder, rape, sexual abuse of a minor. Any conviction for such crimes after November 29, 1990, results in automatic disqualification from citizenship. Temporary bars. Offenses like multiple DUI convictions, prostitution, or illegal gambling can create temporary barriers. Applicants must remain crime-free during the statutory period to qualify. 3. Mandatory waiting period. The waiting period is crucial for those with criminal convictions. Applicants must ensure that the statutory period has elapsed since the completion of their sentence, including probation or parole, before applying for naturalization. This period allows for the demonstration of reformed behavior and rehabilitation. Statutory period completion. Even if a crime does not result in a permanent bar, the applicant must wait until the statutory period has ended, typically 5 years. For some crimes, an additional period might be necessary to prove rehabilitation. 4. Effect of multiple convictions. Multiple arrests and convictions can complicate the naturalization process. USCIS examines the cumulative effect of these incidents on the applicant's moral character. Even if individual offenses might not disqualify an applicant, their combined impact could result in denial. Pattern of behavior. A pattern of repeated criminal behavior, even for minor offenses, may indicate a lack of good moral character. USCIS considers the frequency and nature of these incidents in their assessment. 5. Disclosure and documentation. Honesty and full disclosure of all criminal history are vital. USCIS requires applicants to provide detailed information about arrests, charges, and convictions. Failure to disclose this information can result in denial or revocation of citizenship. Document submission. Applicants must submit court dispositions, police reports, and other relevant documents. Providing comprehensive documentation helps USCIS assess the context and severity of the offenses. Honesty in application. Attempting to conceal a criminal record can lead to severe consequences, including application denial and potential deportation. Transparency is critical in establishing credibility. 6. Legal assistance and representation. Navigating the complexities of naturalization with a criminal record often necessitates legal assistance. Immigration attorneys can provide guidance on eligibility, help prepare the application, and represent applicants in hearings if necessary. Legal advice. Consulting an attorney before filing can help determine the likelihood of approval and address potential issues proactively. Representation. In cases where criminal history complicates the application, having legal representation can be crucial in presenting the best case to USCIS. 7. Special considerations. Certain circumstances may provide additional pathways or considerations for those with criminal records seeking citizenship. Juvenile offenses. Crimes committed as a minor may be treated differently, especially if the individual has demonstrated rehabilitation and good moral character since then. Pardons and expungements. While the pardon or expungement does not automatically remove the need to disclose a conviction, it can positively influence USCIS's decision. Applicants should provide documentation of any pardons or expungements and demonstrate their reformed character. 8. Appeals and waivers. If a naturalization application is denied due to criminal history, applicants may have options to appeal the decision or seek a waiver. Appealing denials. Applicants can file an appeal or request a hearing to contest the denial. Presenting additional evidence or clarifying misunderstandings during the appeal process could reverse the decision. Seeking waivers. In some cases, waivers for certain disqualifying offenses may be available. Legal counsel can advise on the feasibility and process for obtaining such waivers. Conclusion. Applying for U.S. citizenship with a criminal record involves navigating a complex legal landscape. The key factors influencing eligibility include the nature and timing of offenses, the demonstration of good moral character, adherence to the statutory period. Honesty, comprehensive documentation, and legal assistance are crucial in improving the chances of a successful application. Understanding these elements can help individuals with criminal histories approach naturalization with greater clarity and preparedness.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, ask the lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.